Dear traders, in this video you'll learn update about top coins, top instruments that we can trade: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, Binance Coin, Doge, Ethereum, Litecoin, Link. In most cases it would be fundamental and technical analysis with accurate entry ideas that will help you to work. My name is Yuri, top open trading you. I ask you to push like, subscribe and turn on the bell to get such useful updates in the future that will help you understand crypto market much better. Let's go. My friend, I think we should start from Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, take a look what's going on with Bitcoin on this week. As you can see, take a look. I think you can see this triangle, and I think you can see that price tried to break it up here, trapped, as you can see, and after that price tried to break this trend line down and also made a trap. Also take a look how volume decreased dramatically on Bitcoin. It is not a signal that at this moment there could be some powerful movement. For me, it is a signal that with huge possibility price can continue to be in this range. What does it mean? That with huge possibility, I think that there could be 1-2 months off at the range, because at this moment, like last half year, we were all only in a situation when price rose up dramatically a lot. But my friends, remember that sometimes price can be like here. Take a look what Bitcoin did here. Take a look on this here, range, completely range, until what they did. In the end, still they made beautiful trendline breakout pattern, because take a look on this, take a look, beautiful trendline breakout pattern. But as you can see, price were in this range for days. It was range started here in May, 5th May, like at start of May, and finished at June. That means June, my friends, 2 months price were in this range. After that, take a look on this range. Price were here from September until October, full September and 8th of October. As you can see, remember that sometimes price can be in a range. Also take a look during this drop, take a look what had happened. As you can see, during this drop, a lot of people that futures long liquidation. Take a look, a lot of people. That's example for you of a trap. Because when price break down this range back, many people their stop losses were taken. For me, once more, for me it looks that market could be in a range. In what cases I would personally be happy to trade it? I would share with you my thoughts and ideas. First, take a look. As I told on Trading You a few days ago, Bitcoin broke down this wedge pattern, as you can see. By the way, I see that wedge pattern works really well on crypto market, because first really powerful wedge pattern were here, if you remember, when we published it on Trading You many days ago. That's the reason why I recommend you to follow us and get all of these updates. And my friends, take a look here. I recommend you to subscribe on our Telegram channel, because as you can see on everyday basis, take a look, updates, Bitcoin, Ripple, Dogecoin, useful tutorials, all of that stuff, that would be linked below. I recommend you to use it. That's why at this moment, my friends, I personally do nothing, because what I can tell you is that I understand that at this moment big guys will have a desire to take liquidity. To take liquidity, they will need to create something like this, traps, take stop losses, because when you hold a position, tell me in what cases you will get out from your position. Only in a case when big guys hit your stop loss, or it receive your take profit. If price at your level, like, you can keep it for big period of time. That's why I still think that there could be stop loss hunt and reload and something like that. To be honest, my friend, for me the best scenario would be on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will make something like this, there would be reload, beautiful reload. Here would be massive volume increase, and after that price would create some trend line breakout pattern and would break it. For me it would be the best. After that, I would become bullish again, because at this moment in this range, like, it's weak. At breakout, we don't have any volume. I don't like it. Let's go to another coins, my friends. Let's do Dogecoin, because many of you, I think, remember when I record Dogecoin. Take a look inside in our Telegram channel, my friends. As you can see, we, by the way, trade Dogecoin many times. Take a look, Dogecoin. Take a look before that. As you can see, we also traded Dogecoin. I published Trading View idea, and before Coinbase listing here, I told that there could be second wave up. But as you can see, that second wave up didn't happen. What I thought, my friends, if you follow me, I told that if price were here when I recorded it, and I told if it will come back to trend line, if I would trade breakout, but that didn't happen. Take a look, and take a look on this massive volume at high. That means some big guys used that Coinbase hype to sell off their Doge coins. And at this moment, my friends, Dogecoin also in a situation when, take a look, it is at this massive trend line. And for me, it looks that there would be breakdown of this massive trend line. And if there would be breakdown, there could be a drop even to this area. That means, like, at this moment, it is a clear pattern. Yes, we have like a triangle. Better to say we have triangle. But priority at this moment, priority down. That means if Dogecoin will continue squeezing down to this trend line, I would recommend all of you to trade breakdown pattern. That's all. My friends, the next one is a Ripple. About Ripple, I thought before in this week, I thought that there would be breakout of this triangle. Take a look on this massive value area. What does it mean? That a lot of people accumulate their positions inside of this. But take a look here, what they did. Here they did what? Squeezing up. Take a look on this trap. I think you can see that the trap happened to take stop losses of bulls. And at this moment, take a look how they broke down this massive trend line. And at this moment, my friends, for me, it looks that Ripple, with huge possibility, Ripple can continue drop and hit at least one of these areas. And Ripple can take stop losses of these people. Because imagine, inside in this range, a lot of people accumulate positions. Take a look on this. It's massive value area. And I think you would agree with me that part of those people set stop losses below this key level. And also a lot of people set stop losses here in this area. Imagine that if price hit into this area, they hit stop losses of all of these bulls. These bulls, people that accumulate buy, they sell. And if there would be reaction false breakout, that means someone absorbs that sell. That's all. That's why I personally would wait for it. And if you want to get such updates, write in the comments. Would you like to be happy to see update on Ripple if that would happen? Remember that, my friends, if there would be some beautiful ideas, I will publish them into Telegram channel. Let's go to the next one. Cardano, my friends. Cardano also broke, as you can see, a wedge pattern. Take a look, Cardano. And at this moment, take a look on this triangle. Cardano broke this wedge pattern. Take a look on this. I think you would agree with me that at this moment, big guys create a lot of traps. It is really a lot of traps, because take a look on this local key level. Here, a lot of people bought, I know it, and their stop loss is taken. And at this moment, major question is, in what direction the price will make a squeezing? Because as you can see, we have what we have. We have triangle and we have local key level. If price would continue squeezing down, I would think about drop. If price would continue squeezing up, there could be breakup. As you can see, at this moment, my friends, market is really difficult to trade, because on this market, I think you can see that we have a lot of questions, because we have a lot of patterns that we have a lot of patterns that work against each other. Because, for example, like this pattern, it is, we have triangle, we have accumulation, we have squeezing up to this key level, but whole market is down, and huge possibilities that also BNB can break it down. At this moment, to be honest, my friends, I don't like current market, and I would be really careful those days because there could be a lot of stop losses. Take a look on DOT. On this week, we traded DOT inside in our VIP room. I would like to share it with you. A few days ago, I personally published idea about DOT. I'll go with DOT. Take a look here. I personally shared with our VIP members that I opened a position on DOT. My colleague opened a position on DOT. By the way, we traded BNB, and BNB hit exactly take profit, as you can see, 333. And at this moment, I understand that we can try, because as you can see, price exactly retested trend line breakout place. DOT looks only, DOT shows the best pattern at this moment, that's all. But I personally, it is Sunday, I personally skip it. Ethereum, take a look, Ethereum. Ethereum also, as you can see, made a trap, took stop losses, and at this moment, I have the major question is, will price continue squeezing up or not? At this moment, Ethereum for me looks the best, my friends, because Ethereum, as you can see, took stop losses of bulls, and at this moment, if Ethereum will continue squeezing up to this trend line, that would be a beautiful trend line breakout pattern. Ethereum the best at this moment looks for me, if we compare to all other coins. If Ethereum will break this trend line breakout, I think first goal could be 3,500, second goal could be even to previous all-time high. What will be after? Difficult to say. Take a look on Litecoin. Litecoin also, as you can see, what did? Yes, Litecoin, as other top coins, did a trap here. Trap for bulls, broke it down. And at this moment, my friends, what do you want to do? As you can see, whole market like this. It made traps and traps, trap and traps. It is not beautiful time to trade. Best what you can do is to withdraw as much as possible. I wait for better pattern. At this moment, I don't see beautiful pattern here. And Link. What about Link? Also Link, take a look. Massive trend line. Take a look how it looks so beautiful, squeezing up, and after that, boof, and took stop losses. Volume increased. There is no, at this moment, it also inside in a range. My friends, write into a chat if you would like to get updates about top coins in the future. I'll do it. Also, as you can see, most of the coins in a range. That means better to take rest. Write your favorite coins that you would like to trade, and I promise that I will next time will record it. Maybe on TradingView I will record update about your top coin.